Today, we are going to be comparing shots shot with this Canon C100 and shots done with my iPhone 11 Pro. And Kevin here is going to be seeing if he can find the difference. All right, are you ready for the first shot?
Ready for shot.
Okay, this is shot A. Tell me if you think this was shot with the Canon C100 or the iPhone 11 Pro. And you guys can play along because the shot will be playing on the screen for you all to see as well with Kevin. All right, here we go.
That was shot on the C100.
You think that was shot on the C100?
I think that was shot on the C100.
Okay, well I'm gonna show you the same shot again, and then you'll have to
okay,
obviously decide that you think that was on the iPhone. Okay, so here's the same shot again, and this is the other one. So that's the other one.
I think the first one's actually shot on the iPhone. The second one's shot on the C100.
Okay, and why do you think that?
Do I think that? Well, the focusing took a little longer than usual on the second one than the first one. The iPhone pretty much tends to focus quick because it does everything for you.
Sure. Anything to do with the dynamic range or anything?
Not really.
Okay, all right. Well, to tell you the truth, drum roll please. Are you guys ready? I can't tell if you're ready or not. Okay, ready? Kevin is correct. You got it. So the first one, I was a little worried. You said, I'm pretty sure that was shot on the C100.
Yeah, I guess,
because it did look like a pretty nice shot, but actually, first one was, you got it, the iPhone, and the second one was the C100. And usually big cameras are gonna take a little bit longer to focus because the camera sensor's a little bit bigger. But all right, let's go a little bit harder. This one's kind of a hard one. Okay, ready? Here we go. So it's just the back of my dog, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and she's getting up. She sees a squirrel, and she walks away. And here is the same clip shot on a different camera.
All right,
okay.
So I think...
So before you even guess, I just want to say, so clearly the second one was a lot darker, which you might be like, okay, well the iPhone 11 Pro specializes in making things look good in the dark, so maybe Jack was trying to trick me and he made it especially dark, or maybe it's reverse psychology, I don't know.
My guess is the first one is with the iPhone, and the second one was with the professional C100 right here.
And you are... correct! Nice job, Kevin. Absolutely incredible. 2 for 2. Yes, the first one was shot with the iPhone. I tried to trick you there, but that was good. Basically, I made the C100 especially dark. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, if I make it dark, maybe he'll think that I was trying to make it dark on the iPhone 11 Pro, so they would trick him. I don't know, but it looked pretty good. And all right, let's go to the next shot. All right, here we go. This one, I was gonna try and trick you there. This one's a very simple kind of B-roll shot of the Canon 17-40 lens, which we're using right now to shoot this video. So here's the second shot. Okay, so what do you think?
I think the first one was with the iPhone, the second one was with the C100.
All right, and drum roll please. Let's see if you got it. You were wrong. You were actually wrong. Right, yeah, the first one.
It was hard to tell. You really got me there.
Yeah, the first one was actually with the C100. I thought you would get this one since in the first one there's clearly a lot more bokeh, but people sometimes confuse, portrait mode. It's like iPhones can do bokeh too.
This one has a bigger aperture. The lens has a bigger aperture, so we'll let in a lot more light for the bokeh.
They were both shot at f1.8 actually. Yeah. But hey, you know what? 2 for 3. That's pretty good. Ready? Here we go. So that's one of them, and then there's the other one.
Actually, I could see little bokeh circles in the
right.
One. So actually, the first one I think is the iPhone. The second one's the C100 because there's little bokeh circles in the background, which gives you a clear clue on why it's a cinema camera, not an iPhone. Right.
Yeah, you got it. So there you go. Kevin got it on that one. The first one was the iPhone. The second one was the C100.
I know I pretty much bombed maybe half of this, but hey, who cares?
You have not bombed this.
Have I not?
You've done a good job.
I'm competent?
You're competent.
Competent, okay.
Okay.
I like competence.
All right. Here is some B-roll I shot. You even saw me. You literally watched me shoot this B-roll before we started. I actually got the shot with the C100 and with the iPhone 11 Pro, but I forgot to put one of them into the album for the video, so we're just gonna forget about that, and I'm just gonna show you one of them, and you're gonna tell me which one you think it's from. Here it is.
Yeah, Alright, I think that is the C100.
Okay, ready? Drum roll please, which means you got it wrong. That is the iPhone 11 Pro. That means you are now 5 for 8, which, 3 questions wrong doesn't seem that bad, but 5 for 8 is literally like 50% or something like that.
That's not good report
pretty horrible, man.
Again,
that is
was a
62%, so it's okay though. It's a video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you did any better than that, or if you did any worse. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash like and ring my like button and subscribe to my bell, because I will see you guys next time. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to KevJ808, who's sitting right next to me here.
Yes.
He brought the 17-40 lens to this house to put on the Canon C100 to get this absolutely incredible shot. Looks absolutely. That's him. There you go. All right, subscribe for more 17-40 lens content, and I will see you guys next time. Would you like to do the honors?
Peace out.
That was horrible. I was trying to rush to get the video out because I'm trying to grind for you all and actually get videos out on time every week for you guys.